Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today on this Cooking Basics video, I'm going to show you how to dice an onion. Now when you look at your onion, you'll have the root end right here and the top end, and we want to leave the root end intact. And now you can come in here and you can slice this, take your thumb like this, and you can go around the top here to take this out like this. Or you can skip that. This just saves a little bit extra onion that's not discarded. But if you don't want to do that little move, you don't have to. You can easily, once we slice this in half, you can easily just cut that. So that's not totally necessary, but I always do that. And now we're going to cut it along this way. Do not cut it across the equator here. Cut it along this way. It's easy to tell. You'll see lines in the onion skin here, and just go that way. We're going to go half down. Always use your fingers like this, and you're going to go down your knuckles. Straight down. All right, and then we want to, so like now you could come in here and cut, but you will lose a little bit of onion when you do it that way. Now let's just take this skin off, and usually you'll take that first layer of onion off as well. Just because that first layer is kind of more hard. So just peel off that layer right there, just a thin layer. All right, and you can see here the lines. Hopefully you can see that on camera. That's where we want to slice, okay? And so you have the root end, and you're going to keep the root end that way, away from you, and just do a little claw grip like this, and just take your knife, and you're going to just go straight down. And you don't want to go all the way to the end. Like this, okay? And now some people will go in this way, but it's not really necessary because these are already layered by themselves. So there's no really need to do that. But a lot of people will show you how to do it that way. You can if you want. And then just do again, go like this, take your claw grip. So you're going down your knuckle. And just go along this way, okay? Just go straight down with it. And if you have a nice sharp knife, it's really easy. And look at that. These are nice, perfectly diced onions. Really small. Let's finish this off here. And then when you get to this point, instead of trying to grip it and go down, just turn it over like this. And then you can go around the root like that, and you're left with a little root, so you're not wasting hardly any of it. And there you go. And if there's any longer pieces that you mixed, just go like this. Nice, finely diced onion. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, press it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care.